And welcome back, everyone. It's the European Championships F500 class first heat. Here in Tallinn, Estonia, Marcin Zielinski has won the time trial. Erko Abrams took second place. Marianne Jung had the third fastest lap. David Lukotka fourth. Robert Hens fifth. Ferenc Tšako sixth. Paul Hart seventh. And eighth place goes to Nikolai Surkov Nixi. And it's 2 minutes until the lights out. So it is now 30 seconds until the lights. And in about 30 seconds, all children and with sensitive hearing people, please cover your not eyes but ears. And it's a red light. And it's lights out, and looks like Erko Abrams did not get away from the start pretty much at all, but it's Marianne Jung and Marcin Zielinski. But actually it's right now it looks like Erko Abrams has fallen back, and Marcin Zielinski has gone to lead this race. And yes, Marcin Zielinski has gone to lead the race. Marianne Jung on second place, Robert Hens on third place. David Lukotka is holding on to fourth place, but Erko Abrams is going to maybe catch him. But look at these three. Robert Hens, David Lukotka and Erko Abrams. And it looks like David Lukotka is going to overtake Robert Hens from the outside, and it looks like Erko Abrams has come to a stop. Erko Abrams is out of the game. But David Lukotka's game is not over, and he overtakes Robert Hens from the outside for the third place. But Robert Hens has some acceleration, let's see. And it is David Lukotka. David Lukotka gets the third place from Robert Hens. ja kõigile Eesti vaatajatele kahjuks on Erko Abramsi sõit selleks korraks tehtud. Järgmine kord äkki paremini, et Erko Abrams on tuntud sellise mõnusa comebacki poolest, et ta ikkagi suudab sellise valusa kaotuse pöörata ümber päris heaks võiduks, aga vaadake seda. David Lukotka has overtaken Marian Jung, but looks like Marian Jung is coming off the track. That's the reason for Lukotka's overtake. But right now it looks like Erko Abrams and Nixie are out of the game. Yeah, Robert Hens has overtaken Marian Jung because, for sure, it's obvious that Marian Jung is not driving anymore. And we have 2 laps to go. And Marcin Zielinski is leading the race with David Lukotka on 2nd place and Robert Hens 3rd place. This is not something that I would have imagined, but this is motorsports. You never know what's gonna happen. But looking at Paul Hart's practice and time trial, then I think he will be happy to even finish on the 4th place. But see läks laivi praegu. Yeah. Marcin Zielinski already lapping his competitors. And looks like Marcin Zielinski has finished the first heat of European Championship and he has won it. David Lukotka also got the finish flag about 10 seconds behind Marcin Zielinski. And now we are waiting for Robert Hens. And over the line comes Robert Hens. About 34 seconds behind Zielinski. This shows you that Zielinski is pretty much in another class. And also Chaco over the finish line, and also Marian Jung has rejoined the race and completed a few extra laps. But yeah, for Erko Abrams and Surkov Nixie, the race is over for this time, but we should have 3 or 4 heats at least, so let's hope that everyone gets another chance for the European gold medal. I will thank you and hopefully see you again tonight.